Meet Juno, a 7-inch handheld video magnifier with optical character recognition, also known as OCR, offering powerful magnification perfect for work, school, and leisure. Using OCR, Juno captures and processes multiple pages of printed text that can either be read using Juno's 2 to 30 times magnification and 24 high contrast color modes, or can be read aloud using text-to-speech.
Hey, Bug, stay. Don't run away. I know a game that we can play.
Juno's 180-degree rotating barrel camera supports 5 camera modes, promoting independence, learning, and continuing the hobbies that bring joy to everyday life. Use self-view mode to complete personal grooming tasks. Use reading view mode to read books and homework assignments. See a bulletin board, whiteboard, or poster with distance view mode. Use writing view mode to complete a worksheet or sign your name on a document. Color or paint a picture, or view your favorite recipe using hobby view mode. Juno is small, portable, and easy to use. It's also powerful and packed with impressive features, allowing customization for users across the low vision spectrum. Adjust Juno to best suit your needs using its 7-inch LCD touchscreen, 3 reading views from full page to a single line of text, zones that promote easy navigation between document sections, line and mask feature, 4 gigabytes of storage, 5 different languages for text recognition, file management, and ability to share files between teacher and student, special teacher settings to lock certain features during exams. Magnification is portable and powerful with Juno. Visit aph.org today to learn more about Juno and order yours today.